Yo, what's up sa inyo? We're out and about again. I'm out alone. Wala si wife and kids, still sleeping. And punta ako ngayon sa gym and sa laundry to run some errands and to work out din. No? So today, I want to share something with you because I recently started playing pickleball. Very very sikat na sports right now. Up and coming sports, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas but globally, no. They already have professional leagues globally. Dito rin sa Pilipinas may nag-start na ng medyo major league ng pickleball. I recently started playing it sa impluwensya ng aking mahal na kapatid at mga kaibigan. I didn't expect it to change how I feel this much, no? And it made me realize how important it is for us to have a hobby, especially as adults. If you're in your late 20s or early 30s, no? Kahit 40s and 50s and 60s, yung pickleball, for all ages na sport. As an adult, it's very important na meron tayong hobby, no? Kasi kapag wala tayong hobby, ang life cycle natin is work, responsibilities, tapos ulit-ulit lang, work, responsibility, lalo na kung ano kayo, no? Kung ikaw yung breadwinner ng family, or in most cases, kung kung ikaw yung padre di pamilya, there's so much responsibilities on your shoulder, whether you realize it or not. And sometimes, kapag sobrang tagal na napaulit-ulit na cycle na gano'n na lang, mababurnout ka din eh. So, it's very important that you have a hobby. Kapag wala nun, sometimes we forget to have fun, we forget to learn something new, ulit na lang. It's also, parang you have that excitement na to be bad at something again. Siyempre, kapag paulit-ulit na yung ginagawa mo sa work or yung sports mo, kung yun na lang yung sports mo before, you get to a level where kahit pa paano nagiging expert ka na dun sa sport as to compare to someone na hindi nilalaro yung sport na yun. And for me, playing pickleball, it allows me to be bad at something again, no? To be in that beginner mode, or be in that learner mode pagdating sa isang sport. And what matters kasi kapag may hobby tayo is number one, you have something to look forward to. You get excited to play again. You get excited to to learn new techniques. Siyempre, minsan gastos. You get excited to buy new outfit for the sport, o kaya mga raketa, mga accessory, ganyan. Exciting din siya na phase to be in. Bukod doon, to have something to look forward to is it allows me to reset, no? Mawala yung mga problema sa work, problema sa bahay, sa mga relationships, yung mga iniisip mo because of your responsibilities. Kahit pa paano, marireset ka and hindi mo na siya iisipin. Hindi mo siya i-overthink masyado, no? You'll have that break dun sa mga bagay na yun. And when you're playing, you'll be forced to be present, no? Be in the moment and just focus on the game. Focus on just playing, no? Yung first time kong na-try tong pickleball, para sa akin parang lang siya, parang from outside looking at it. Kasi I'm a basketball guy and motorcycle din, yun yung mga hobby ko. Pero when I started playing pickleball, parang na in love. I remember yung the first time kong matuto mag-basketball nung bata pa ako, and nung first time kong magkaroon ng motor, yun yung pakiramdam niya. It sparks something within me na parang hindi ko siya ma-explain eh. Ang pinakamalapit na description na pwede kong i-compare sa kanya is like, na-fall in love talaga ako dun sa sport. And it clears my mind, no, nung naglalaro na. Just like playing basketball and just like, naglo-long ride sa motorcycles. Ganun yung effect niya sa akin. Clears my mind. Ini-improve din niya yung it improves my mood sa akin. Tsaka kaya gusto ko talaga to kasi this is an activity that I can do with my wife. Kasi siya din na-enjoy din niya yung pickleball. Kaya yung mama ko din, yung papa ko din, which are, my dad is senior citizen, my mom is about to become a senior citizen this year. Get nila yung sport. There's levels to it, pero it's something that I enjoyed already kahit nasa beginner level ako. And dahil medyo bago-bago pa yung sport, maraming beginners, so maraming kang kasabay. Hindi siya katulad nung beginner ka pa lang mag-basketball tapos maglaro ka sa mga marurunong na. Masyadong mataas yung skill gap. With this, pwede kayong makapaglaro at makapag-enjoy kahit puro kayo beginner. Bukod nga sa nakapag-release siya ng stress, nakapag-clear ng mind, no? It is a physical sport, so it has physical benefits din, 'di ba? Movement niya, yung movement ng pickleball, hindi siya high intensity, low intensity lang yung mga movement niya. So, hindi ka talagang magiging hapong-hapo as compare sa basketball, no? Hindi ka babangga, hindi ka tutulak, hindi ka matutulak, 'di ba? Hindi ka ma-out of balance sa ere. Ganon. And the biggest thing kasi sa playing pickleball for me is exercising while having fun. 'Di ba? Nag-exercise ka, tapos nag-i-enjoy din at the same time. And yung consistency ng paglalaro helps you to get yung mga rules. Basta laro ka lang kasama yung mga marurunong, 'di ba? Or check online yung mga yung mga rules, yung mga techniques. It's a good place to be in. Tsaka ito yung isa to sa mga hobby na makaka-build ng community, 'di ba? Maraming mga clubs and mga local na pickleball community na sigurado diyan sa inyo meron kung saan ka man nanonood. Basta may pickleball court, merong mga pickleball enthusiast ka makikilala. You'll meet people of all ages. May mga senior, may mga kaedad mo. Meron naman mga din early 20s ganyan naglalaro ng pickleball. So it's an avenue to meet new people then. Ganda rin 'yun na kahit paano nakakilala tayo ng mga bagong tao. Tsaka sa pickleball, walang title, walang status. It's just people playing, no? Sharing your experience. At the same time, while doing it, nagbi-build ka rin ng connection dito sa mga nakakalaro mo na to. And it made me realize na in playing pickleball, it made me realize na it's okay to be bad at something. Kasi wala namang hindi naman pwedeng magaling ka sa lahat agad-agad, no? In pickleball, parang okay lang na I'm a beginner, no? Hindi mo kailangang super advanced for other people to enjoy playing with you. And even yung yung mga old friends, yung mga taong nakasama ko before sa basketball world, sa simbahan or sa ibang mga areas ng sa ibang mga activities ko na ginawa before. Nagka-connect ulit kami because of pickleball. Siyempre, mag-i-story ako na nagpi-pickleball ako, no? Ko-comment yung mga friend ko na, uy, laro tayo minsan, naglalaro ka na din pala, ganun. Kasi marami talagang nahuhook sa pickleball Nakaka-hook kasi talaga siya. So, yun lang muna. I want to encourage you to try something new, no? In my case, that's pickleball. Whether it's pickleball or kahit anong hobby, basta healthy hobby yan, try it, no? It's good for us, it's good for our mental health. Kung physical activity naman yung bago mong hobby, walking, jogging, or running, or good din yan physically. Pero syempre, it's very important to be responsible as well. Make sure na your priorities are aligned, no? Huwag tayo matulad dun sa mga ibang kaibigan natin na kinain na ng motor, no? Yung pag-tuition ng anak, binibili ng piyesa ng motor. Huwag ganun, hindi ganun. Dapat there's a balance sa ating mga may balance pa rin tayong i-maintain. Yun lang, I just want to encourage you with that. Hanggang sa susunod na video, ako umabot ka dito. Thank you for watching. Bye.